Good morning, one and all. In this session, we discuss about Coulomb's law, or another name is there, inverse square law. Inverse square law. What is the use of this Coulomb's law? The electric force between the charged object we consider as quantitatively by Charles Coulomb. Charles Coulomb. The force of attraction repulsion between the two charges exists even vacuum also. Suppose I take the two charges. This is the one charge. There is a q1, another charge is there, it is a q2. Then two charges are separated certain distance, the distance is known as r. The force of attraction repulsion, suppose we take the like charges, what happened? The force is repulsion, force of repulsion occur, force of repulsions. We take unlike charges, the force of attraction is possible between the two charges. Now, what is Coulomb says, the statement of Coulomb's law? It is a 4 marks very important question for IP purpose. Statement of Coulomb, the force of attraction or repulsion between the charges, between the two charges is directly proportional to the product of the two charges, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Square of the distance between them. Observe, what is the statement of Coulomb's law here? Observe, the force of attraction or repulsion. Now we take the like charges of two charges. The force between the two charges is repulsion. We take the two unlike charges, positive negative or negative positive. The two charges are unlike. The force of attraction is possible between the two charges. Now Coulomb says the force of attraction or repulsion between the two charges is directly proportional to the product of the two charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Now we write the mathematically. In first one, force is directly proportional to the product of the two charges and force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. Now we rewrite the equation 1 and 2. Rewrite the equations 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. Then force is directly proportional to q1, q2, inversely proportional to r square. Now we remove the proportionality, we place one constant k here, proportionally constant, and f equal to k q1 q2 by r square. Now here, what is meant by k here? Proportionally constant. Proportionally constant. The proportionally constant value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the meant by here epsilon naught? It is meant by permittivity of free space or vacuum or air, free space or vacuum or air. What is the definition of permittivity? permittivity is the property of medium which influence the force between the two charges. Now observe what is the Coulomb's law statement here. The force of attraction repulsion between the two charges is directly proportional to the product of the two charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So it is mathematically if directly proportional to q1 q2 and inversely proportional to the distance between square of the distance between them. Now the value of 1 by 4 5 epsilon naught value is, suppose we write the epsilon naught value here, epsilon naught value 8.8542 into 10 to the power of minus 12 Coulomb square for Newton meter square. Then final the k value here 1 by 4 5 epsilon naught 1 by 4, the pi value is 3.14, epsilon naught value is here. The final answer we get 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Now we substitute the k value in this equation. F equal to 1 by 4 5 epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. This is the final equation of Coulomb force. And another equation is there, F equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 q1 q2 by r square. This is the Coulomb force equation. What is the units of force is Newton. Once again I repeat, Coulomb's law or inverse square law. This is the two charges we take like or unlike. The force of attraction or repulsion is possible. Statement of Coulomb's law: the force of attraction or repulsion between the two charges is directly proportional to the product of the two charges. Product is multiplied and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Now we write the mathematically F proportional to q1 q2 and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. We write the equation 1 and 2, F proportional to q1 q2, F inversely proportional to the r square. Remove the proportionality, one constant is there, k is the proportionally constant. The k value here 1 by 4 5 epsilon naught. Epsilon naught is permittivity of free space or vacuum. Permittivity means it is a property of medium, any medium which influence the force between the two charges. The value of epsilon naught is constant, 8.8542 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square for Newton meter square. The value of k 1 by 4 5 epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Finally we write the Coulomb force equation 1 by 4 5 epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. The 1 by 4 5 epsilon naught value is 9 into 10 to the power of 9 q1 q2 by r square. The unit of force is Newton. Thank you.